Moving on to global update, Vietnam's economic growth accelerated in the second quarter of the year as robust exports and industrial production. Meanwhile, Lebanon's government decided to increase fuel prices by 35%, a move that could lead to a sharp increase in prices of most commodities. And more updates on today's International Minute.
Vietnam's economic growth accelerated in the second quarter of the year as robust exports and industrial production amid a global recovery helped offset the impact of the Southeast Asian country's most serious COVID-19 outbreak so far. Gross domestic product grew 6.61% in the second quarter from a year earlier, faster than a revised expansion of 4.65% in the first quarter. The stock market value of Facebook has topped $1 trillion for the first time after the tech giant won a court victory against U.S. regulators. A federal court dismissed 2 lawsuits from the Federal Trade Commission and a coalition of states, sending Facebook shares up 4.2%. It took the value of Facebook above $1 trillion, making it the last of the big 5 tech firms to hit the milestone. Lebanon's energy ministry on Tuesday increased gasoline and fuel prices by 35%, a move that could lead to a sharp increase in prices of most commodities in the crisis-hit country. The hike came days after caretaker Prime Minister Hassan Diab granted approval for financing fuel imports at a rate higher than the official exchange rate, effectively reducing critical fuel subsidies. Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and Wells Fargo say they were raising their capital payouts after the U.S. Federal Reserve gave them a clean bill of health following their annual stress test last week. Analysts and investors had expected the country's largest lenders to start issuing as much as $130 billion in dividends and stock buybacks from next month, after the Fed last week ended emergency pandemic-era restrictions on how much capital they could give back to investors. IDX Channel reports.